Hi, my name is Baptiste. I'm the founder and CEO of Azumuta. And so today I will show you around the AI capabilities of automatically creating a digital work instruction from a normal video. So I have a pretty simple setup here. So a regular off-the-shelf webcam and my laptop. So what I will be doing is just some very simple basic instructions. I will be speaking through them, and the AI of Azumuta will create an automatic work instruction from it. So let's go to the application. So here I'm in an empty work instruction in Azumuta, and I click the camera button here, which will open the webcam that I have next to me. So now I will start the capture and I will start speaking my work instruction. So the first step of this work instruction is to take the nut and this bolt and to put them together. After doing that, I will place the assembled piece in this position. The next step is to take the other nut and the other bolt and to screw them together. By the way, I can make comments that are completely off topic and it will exclude them from the instructions, basically. After this, I will put the assembled piece in this position. Now I clicked stop recording the video and I can start processing this video. So what it will now do is it will send the video to the Azumuta AI, and the Azumuta AI will create a digital version from it in a structured way. So now it's processing the videos, it's also automatically segmenting them, and it's also translating the instruction steps into the languages that are configured in your company languages. So as you can see here, we have proper digital work instructions. So take the nut and the bolt and put them together, then place the assembly in this position, take the other nut and the other bolt and screw them together and put the beam in this position. As you can see, the Dutch version is also automatically created and I can switch between the two. If I want to see the preview of my complete work instruction, I can click preview and I see that the video is automatically linked to the correct step. So yeah, like this. Okay, so this was a really quick video about how we can do automatic visual instruction and digital work instruction creation from a simple video in Azumuta. See you for the next video. Bye-bye.